CD, DVD or pen drive. As we keep important papers in a file, similarly any information in a computer is saved in the form of a file. Each file is given a file name which helps us to find the desired file. Folder. As we keep all our files in a file cabinet, similarly a folder in a computer is like a cabinet where we keep relevant files. A folder can hold other folders as well. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. You can differentiate a file from a folder with the help of icons associated with them. Alright, let us understand how to create a file. The most common method to create a file is by using any application software. Open Microsoft Word. A blank page is displayed on the screen. Start typing the text on the blank page. After completing your work, save your file using the File tab, then go to Save option and type a file name in the Save As dialog box. This creates a new file. Student, note that Ctrl+N is a shortcut key to create a new file. Okay, now let us find out how to create a folder. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Place the pointer on the new option. A list of sub-options appears. Click on the folder option. A new folder icon will be displayed on the desktop. Type a name for the folder at the cursor position and press the Enter key. A new folder is created. Students, note that Shift+Del key is delete files or folders permanently. Let's talk about open a file and folder. To open a file or a folder, simply move the pointer to the required file or folder and double-click on it. The file or folder will open and you can view its contents. Let us understand how to rename a file and folder. Rename means to change the existing name of a file or folder. To rename any file or folder, right-click on the desired file or folder. Select the Rename option from the shortcut menu. The file or folder name will be highlighted. Now type the new name that you wish to give to the file or folder. Alright, let us understand to use Context menu. When you right-click on any icon, a pop-up menu appears which is called Context menu. Using this pop-up menu, you can save your time to access commands. Right-clicking on the different areas and objects will display different sets of commands. The Context menu is also called the Shortcut menu. Right-clicking on the blank area of the desktop. When you right-click on the blank area of the desktop, you will find a menu with a list of options. The Personalize option can be seen at the bottom. Using the Personalize option, you can change the background, settings of the desktop, screensaver, appearance of icons, menus, message box, font color, etc. and can also give various visual effects to them. Right-clicking on an object. When you right-click on any icon on the desktop, you will find an entirely different menu. The Properties option will be found at the bottom of the list. Students, can you tell me what is shortcut icon? A shortcut is an icon that provides an easy and quick method to open any application or software that we frequently use. There is a small jump arrow present at the lower left corner of the shortcut icon. Double-clicking on the shortcut icon will open the file or program it represents. Alright, students, let us learn how to create a shortcut icon for Microsoft Word. Click on the Start button and select All Programs. Select the Microsoft Office suite and then place the cursor on the Microsoft Word 2010 program. Right-click on the Microsoft Word 2010 program. A pop-up menu appears. Select Send to option. You will find another cascading menu. Now click on the desktop Create Shortcut option. A shortcut icon of Microsoft Word appears on the desktop with the jump arrow in the lower left corner. Double-click on the shortcut icon to open the application directly. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. An operating system controls all the activities of a computer. Windows 7 is an easy-to-use and multitasking operating system. The desktop is the first screen of Windows. Small graphics or symbols displayed on the desktop are called icons. The computer folder displays the contents of the computer's hard disk, CD or DVD, or any other external storage media such as pen drive. Using computer folder, we can manage and access all the folders and files stored in a computer. A file is a collection of related information stored together on some storage device. Each file is given a file name which helps us to find the desired file. A folder in a computer is like a file cabinet where we keep relevant files. The shortcut icon provides an easy and quick method to open any application or software that we use frequently. It has a small jump arrow at its lower left corner.